Hello, how are you all everyone? Today I will talk about turn off your Facebook active status in Facebook Messenger. People did not realize I was on Messenger. Let's go directly the mobile screen. Let's go. At first, mobile Facebook icon click now, then Messenger click now. This is my Messenger. Many person active. So at first, three dot line click here, then settings click here now, then active status on, click here, then show when you are active until I change it. This click here, push, then go back, then all active person turn off. Thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.